Take 4, action.
Is it really take 4? Okay.
Yeah.
So to calculate raw materials used, cost of goods manufactured, and cost of goods sold, we'll need the following formulas. So for raw materials used, we'll start with beginning raw materials. We'll add in purchases. And this will be what's available for use. Then we'll subtract out ending raw materials. And that's going to give us raw materials used. I want to leave some space here because I'm going to fill in some of the homework problems.
Okay.
So from cost of goods manufactured, we start with beginning, work in process. We add in, what do we add in? A lot of stuff. We add in raw materials used, which we take from here. We add in direct labor. We add in overhead applied. And this is going to give us what is the total manufacturing cost. From here, we subtract ending, work in process, and that's going to give us the cost of goods manufactured. Carry. All right, so cost of goods sold. We're going to take our beginning, finished goods. We're going to add in cost of goods manufactured, and that's going to give us cost of goods available for sale. Carry. So we're going to take out the ending finished goods, and that's going to give us our cost of goods sold. So from the homework, we're given some information we're not. We'll have to figure it out. So let's just start from the top. Purchases of raw materials, $6,000. So I'm going to put that here. This is going to get messy. Raw materials beginning was 500. I can go ahead and subtotal. 500 plus 6,000 is 6,500. Available for use. I need to subtract out raw materials. Ending is 800. So if I take 800 from 6,500, that is 5,700 in raw materials used. Okay, I'm just going to jump over here because I'm so proud that I got the number. I'm going to take this 5,700 and put it here. Okay, the next bit of information they give me is that work in process beginning is 0. So I'll put that here. And they also tell me that work in process ending is 0. Okay. Next I have cost of goods sold, 12,000. So I put that over here. And it tells me that finished goods beginning is 1,200. And that finished goods ending is 1,400. So right from here, I know I'm missing some information, but I can kind of figure it out by just backing out. So if I take 12,000 and I add 1,400, that's 13,400. That shows me that the cost of goods available for sale minus the ending finished goods equals my cost of goods sold. They gave me this, they gave me this, I just had to figure that out. So now my 13,400, subtract the 1,200 for beginning finished goods, that's going to give me 12,200. So 12,200 plus 1,200 plus 12,200 equals 13,400 less 1,400 equals the 12,000 cost of goods sold. So I have my raw materials used, I have my cost of goods sold. The only thing left is to figure out my cost of goods manufactured, which I can. My cost of goods manufactured is here, 12,200. Well, I know that 12,200 minus 0 is going to give me the total manufacturing cost, so I know I can just pop that here, 12,200. So the question from my homework asks, what is the total amount of conversion costs? Well, conversion costs are direct labor plus overhead. So they don't want to know how much is direct labor, how much is overhead. They want to know combined, what are the two. And I can say that 12,200 minus 5,700 is 6,500. And that's my answer. All that for that. But hey, you got it right. You can move on to the next one. Thank you so much, Carrie.